Welcome to Get Answered. Ads on YouTube start to be unbearable. YouTube shows a number of ads to users ranging from video ads to sponsorship cards and banner ads. Let's see how you can stop all these types of ads in your Android device. First, you need to open your device browser. Search for adblock.com. Or visit the link in bio. This is not available on Play Store. Since Adblock does not let Google get this revenue from users, it is prohibited on Google Play. Now click on Free Download. Open when download has finished. If you don't have permissions to install from unknown sources, go to Settings and enable it. Now wait till installation is complete. After completion, open the Adblock application. Click on I agree. Then click Next. Now you need to click on the Turn Adblock on button. It will enable a VPN so it blocks ads on YouTube application. Click on the Next and then OK button. Now you need to open YouTube on your Android device. You can see that ads have been stopped. If still you are getting ads, open Application Settings. Select YouTube and clear data. Now it works for almost every Android device after clearing data. You can also use this to block ads on Facebook. If it does not disable using this method, open app and enable HTTPS filtering. After you have finished watching videos on YouTube, turn off the Adblock app, so your browsing history has not been monitored. Also, here you can see the number of ads that are blocked by Adblock, and the data that has been saved. Adblock will not start automatically when the phone is turned on, as this feature is blocked by the Android operating system itself. To use it, you need to open the app and enable ad blocking manually. If you think this was helpful, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.